Hello guys, welcome back once again to Tutorial Hub. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. So today my mop is spoilt, so I'm going to teach you how to fix your spoilt or removed mop. So let's get into it. Keep watching. So you need a stick of the mop. This is it, and as well the cover that you use in covering your mop. They are all inclusion. So you take the ropes and cross it 4 4 or 5 5. You cross here like 5 or 6 times, then the other side too, you cross it over the same thing. You do it till the mop is full. So as you can see, I'm done with the down part. I'm crossing over. So you keep repeating it till the mop is full. My mop is getting full, and you can see it's finally made. I'm occupying every left hole with the ropes of the mop. Now, my mop is full, and I press it so hard. It's not to go. So these are the left ones. So I'm going to use this to cover it. So one hole is to one knob. So after your mop is full, you take the cover and cover it up. As I said, one hole is to one knob. So you make sure the knob enters into the hole. If it can't, you hit it hard as I'm doing. So now we are done with the final work. As you can see, everything is perfectly made. So I'm going to try using this mop to mop. So all didn't go on it, so you see it's very small, but at least it's better it's this way than to throw it away. So let's try mopping with it. Don't throw your spoilt mop away. You can do this as well. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more tutorials.